Hello, hello. Miss Doll here again. This is my third and final review of a digital game or app for learning. This time we are looking at an online game called Freerice, which is sponsored by the World Food Program. I would say that Freerice fits under the educate category on the educate, edutain, and entertain spectrum. Now, first I'm going to start with some of the game elements of the game, and then I'll move into more of the content or education elements of it. And I think you'll see that the content education elements outweigh the game elements quite a bit. As for the game elements of the game, you are interacting with sort of an online quiz, and you are picking answers to questions, and you are gaining rice as you answer that. The rice could also be equated with points if you're looking at it from a game aspect, so there is that. So you're just going through and you are clicking the right answers. Now, if you do click the wrong answer, however, like let's say that's that, it's not, but it'll tell you the right one, which I think is educationally sound versus that first game that we reviewed, which did not give you the right answer after you got it wrong. There is also a leaderboard function on this game, which does contribute to one of its game elements. As you can see, some people earn a lot of rice on this game, and it covers the top 15 individuals and the top 15 groups. So you can get together with a group of people and collectively contribute toward rice totals. These are much bigger, obviously. Now that we've got the game elements out of the way, I want to talk about more of the education or content elements here. As I was doing English vocabulary earlier, that's not the only content that you can interact with in this sort of online quiz game. You can pick any of these content areas. So they've got global goals, that's kind of the World Food Program's mission, developed content areas, got English, different areas of geography, humanities, different languages, math, and a few aspects of science. So if I were to click another category, let's say paintings. I don't know much about paintings, but we'll give it a shot. And it runs just the same as the other category did, the vocabulary one. You're still finding an answer, you're clicking it, it'll highlight the wrong ones, and you're still getting rice for correct answers. However, not only does this game teach you content and educate you as to what the content is through their quiz format, it also educates you about the mission of the World Food Program and the larger aspect of sustainability and charity and contributing to those who have less than you. So it talks a bit more about the rice aspect and how the rice generated or the points generated from people playing the game are donated to the World Food Program in terms of money, and they use it to buy food for people who are impoverished or in third world countries or just can't afford it. So it'll tell you about their mission, and I think that's also another educational aspect of this game that sometimes is overlooked. If I had to place this game on Bloom's taxonomy, I would definitely say it would be on the lowest level, the remembering aspect. And I would say that because it's just an online quiz. You're just finding the right answers, you're clicking them, and you are interacting with content in that way. There's not much more that you have to do. There's no analyzing or applying anything. You kind of just click the answer and move on. Although it is at a lower Bloom's level, I do really enjoy this game, and I find it interesting to play. I liked it, and I had a fun time reviewing it. Thank you for listening, and I will catch you later.